In this section, we will be running a modified base map off of the idle tune that I did earlier. Go to AEM Tuner, open up the software, turn on the ignition while it's loading, on yes, and I cleared the calibration map off of the ECU, so we need to load new map. Upload calibration, and I am going to go to TY tune 68%, meaning that I went in and I reduced the original fuel cells off the AEM base map 68%. Clear, set the ignition, turn it back on, and start the car. It is running too lean. So what we need to do is we need to increase each of these cells to about 0.8, and if idle's a little bit rich, we'll go to feedback off. So we need to okay. Turn on O2 feedback. Go over to the fuel. What we want to do is we want to set the lean and rich and fuel cut below about 2%. And fuel cut below, let's say right now 9, so 7's good. O2 feedback rate, I want to set it to 100. And we'll go for a drive. O2 feedback. So when it's negative, meaning that it's running a bit too rich. So I can go in here and reduce the cell. And what I am going to do is I'm going to run at 1000 RPM, hold, 2000 RPM, hold, 3000 RPM, hold, and so forth. And before we get started, what I wanted to do is I want to map the wizard, tools, preferences, and go to quick tune. What I want to do is on my quick tune, I want my gain to be 0.1. This is the default value. And I want to go to hotkeys and put the quick tune hotkey. Shift F12, but I want to change it to spacebar. Modify, spacebar, click on modify, now it's space. Okay, now we're set. We could tune. In order to tune, what we need to do is we need to click, make sure that we click in the fuel map window. The fuel map window is running, and we'll go for a drive. In this section, I will be using the quick tune to adjust my fuel table based on the RPM and the load of the car. Stepping on accelerator at idle, I will be tuning each of these fuel cells are idle. So looking at the O2 feedback value, it's getting lean, so I'm going to press spacebar. But first thing I need to do is I need to follow the ECU. Then I'll be pressing the spacebar. And notice how it turns blue, meaning that it adjusted the cell. And then I will go to 2500, idle, press the cell, and it's about 3500. File calibration. Let's run it again. After tuning the fuel cells that idle from 1000 RPM up to close to 8000 RPM, now I will be tuning the cells from load -8 all the way to 0. So I'll go ahead and go for a drive. First thing is save, clear. Okay, so I'm going to try and watch. Press spacebar to do a quick tune. If I see a feedback value of negative or positive, say severe, negative, or positive. So right now I am going to tune in first gear between 1000 RPM to 5000 RPM or more. Okay, so you can see I need to click on the fuel cell first, fuel map, and then go ahead and start over. tuning in second gear, 1000 RPM. Pressing space bar. Do a quick tune, 3000 RPM. Hold steady. 500. Space bar. 1000. Space bar. And space bar. Feedback. It's plus minus 1500. Space bar. Hold steady. 1500. Space bar. 1500. Space bar. Continue 5500 and second gear. Space bar. Then file, save calibration. Okay, so I tuned first gear and second gear all the way up to about 8,000 RPM.